Transmission is coming to you.
You got it.
Daily Stock Report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Jen Hoffman, and for Thursday, November 1st, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets. Today's headline news are brought to you by Reed's Inc. Reed's Inc. is focused on developing, manufacturing, marketing, and selling natural non-alcoholic beverages, new age beverages, candies, and ice creams. Let's take a look at the headline news from yesterday. Wall Street bounded higher Wednesday after the Federal Reserve eased some of investors' fears about a sinking economy, stating the risks to the financial markets from summer's credit crisis have eased. The Federal Reserve sliced an important interest rate Wednesday, its second reduction in the last 6 weeks, to help the economy survive the strains of a deepening housing slump that's likely to crimp growth in the coming months. Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke and all but one of his colleagues agreed to lower the federal funds rate by 1/4 percentage point to 4.50% at the end of a 2-day meeting on Wednesday. The dollar skidded to a new low against the euro Wednesday, while the British pound broke through $2.08 after the Federal Reserve lowered a key interest rate. Although lower interest rates can jumpstart an economy, they can also weaken a currency as investors transfer funds to countries where their deposits or fixed income investments bring higher returns. The markets open up with the Dow up 137.54 or 1%. The Nasdaq is up 42.41 or 1.51%, and the S&P 500 is up 18.36 or 1.2%. And now for a look at the small cap news Quality Stocks is tracking. Small cap headlines are brought to you by Lucas Energy Inc. Lucas Energy engages in the acquisition and operation of oil and gas properties in the state of Texas. The company operates 8 separate oil and gas leases. It holds 100% working interest in 2 unit wells comprising 670.43 acres. MyStarU.com Inc. recently announced that its subsidiary, Goon Green Org, is developing a city video channel designed to provide official information and third-party research reports with video sharing for public companies and for overseas listed companies intent on bringing presentations into the China investment community with plans to launch in October. MyStarU Inc. currently owns a 54% interest in Subacom Inc., which operates a video web development hosting, marketing, and e-commerce service provider, offering a unique corporate video sharing platform for both users and customers. Geneva Resources Inc. is a mining company which operates exploration initiatives in a number of areas, including central Peru, Nigeria, Africa, and Panama. The company announced that they will resume their core drilling program in the Plateau State, Nigeria, starting next month. Alliance Recovery Corporation announced they have entered into Memorandum of Understanding with Corbett Aggregate Corporation for a long-term lease of vacant land in Salem, New Jersey, which includes several heavy industrial steel buildings. Both companies will work together to develop a final plan that will optimize the use of existing structures and space for the new waste-to-energy installation. And that's our newsmaker. Stay tuned right here to Quality Stocks Daily Newsletter, from the latest news to small cap to large and everything in between, by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Jen Hoffman. Have a great day. We'll see you next week right here on the Quality Stocks Daily Report.
This transmission is coming to you.
You got it.